In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SheetKraft's ResolveFilePath function. ResolveFilePath.sk function gives us the location of the file in the temp folder. We can read or write on this path as it generates a temporary file path without creating a file. In SheetKraft, when we run the activity which involves export of files, the generated files are stored in the temp folder, but after successful run, these files are moved to the desired folder. There may be cases where some functions will fail because in their argument, we have provided a desired file path, but the file will not be present in the desired file path before a successful run. So here, we can use ResolveFilePath function. Let us understand using an example. The selected data range is exported to an Excel file. The export formula is in cell H12. Type ResolveFilePath.sk and then click on the FX button. The function argument UI window will open. The function has two arguments, file path and mode. In file path argument, enter the file path or give the reference of the cell for which you want the temp folder path. In mode argument, there can be two values, that is read or write. Use read if you just want to read the file. Use write if you want to alter the file. The file path is in cell H12 and I will provide read input in mode argument. Click on OK and then do runbook. We got the file path. This is how SheetKraft's ResolveFilePath function works. Thank you.